Help is easy to find in Microsoft Excel 2013. This icon here in the top right of the screen is the Help button. As you can see, when I hold my mouse over the button, there's a shortcut keystroke that you can use to get help. It's F1. So you can either click this icon or press the F1 function key on your keyboard to open the Help dialog. In the Help dialog, you can get assistance with Microsoft Excel. When you first launch Help, you'll see that there are some Getting Started topics here and some more advanced ones here. There's also a search box, which gives you access to information. Where this information comes from depends on the setting that you have configured here. If you click this tiny down pointing arrow beside the Excel Help words, you'll be able to configure where Excel Help comes from, either from Office.com or from your own computer. You'll get better results if you're connected to the web and you're able to search Office.com. To find help on a specific topic such as the ribbon, click here in the search box and type the word ribbon. And then click the search button. Here you can see that there's lots of helpful information about the Excel ribbon. You can see the topic of each of these items, and you'll see a description of what you can expect to read about if you read this article. You can also see if it's an article or training. Training will generally open in a browser window. An article will open inside the Excel Help window. If you want to go back a page, click the Back button here. You can also click the Home button to return to the beginning window of the Excel search dialog. Inside Excel, as you're working, you can also get help on various topics. I'm going to launch here the Format Cells dialog, and you can see that this same question mark Help icon appears in the top right corner of the dialog. I'll click it to open the Excel Help, and you can see now that we're seeing articles that relate to the Format Cells dialog and formatting numbers. If I move to Backstage View, again we'll see that there's a Help icon here, and if I click on it, I'll see the Help dialog appear with information relevant to the items available in Backstage View. This is what's called context-sensitive help. Excel is offering me help information that's relevant to the area of Excel that I'm currently working in. And because I'm in Backstage View, I'm being offered help on running the accessibility checker and password protecting a document. If you need to do so, you can click to print a help topic at any time, so you can have its details handy as you work. And you can also click this push pin icon that will keep help on top as you work. You may want to size the dialog down a little bit, but you can see that the Excel Help window will now stay visible on the screen as I work in Excel. To disable this feature, I'll just deselect the push pin icon here and close Help down.